are March 4th, 2019 in Woodstock and Bradshaw Farms. We're taking out a 10-foot section of concrete right here. Looks like it's you know, water damage that made it rot. We're just gonna cut it there, rip it out, fold it up, and pour it. And we're gonna document the process. So here we go.
Let his tears will flow, but we must go riding out on the Neptune's floor. Oh, Mr. Bell, I sing you out. Well, what can come upon my mind from 14 weeks at sea? Oh, for the land, and could it be? But I take my stride and drink my rum, bring you home this sailor scum. Oh, Mr. Bell, I sing you out. Well, I hate that bastard sea. Well, sing my melody. Well, the wind me on the high, Lord, take me down. Oh, Mr. Bell, I sing you out, yeah. To see, well, I sing my melody. Well, the wind be on the high, Lord, take me now. Oh, Mr. Bell, I sing you out, yeah.
That is it. Here's the slab. Here's the edge. We got number 3 rebar on 2-foot centers, 3 dowels into each side of the existing driveway. That's all tied in together. Cold day today, we poured it thick. Just a broom finish. And that's it. This job went pretty smooth. Let's go on to the next one.